Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can join clips together in Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Premiere Pro, and here you can see that I already added three different clips. So I want to join the first two. So the first step you simply need to select with the mouse cursor the both, and the other method is you simply need to hold shift and select both clips. Then you need to click the right mouse cursor, and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on next, and here you need to name your sequence. So I'm going to change first combination, click on OK. So now you can see that my images are now, my videos are now merged clips. So if you want to see them separate, you simply need to double click on them, and here you can see your clips individually here. And the other method is, let me show you another method. So you simply need to select both clips, click the right mouse cursor, and the other method is you simply need to group them. But in group you are unable to add any effect on the clips. So this is the process by which you can join clips together in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.